Hello everyone, this is Namrita. So yesterday I just couldn't bring myself to shoot a video because I was so feeling depressed or like feeling super anxiety to shoot anything. But I posted kind of few polls in my Instagram account to know like response, what kind of like genre people like or what kind of genre they would prefer to mix up into a one basic genre with these small little bit of subplots. So I have gathered few like polls in my Instagram account, even though it is not much, but I have like gathered like few people's like max to max 6 or 7 people to show their like liking to the genre, what they would prefer to mix up in a particular genre. So I'm gonna show it to you. So in the first genre I asked which genre they will prefer. So I have like give them 4 options. One is fantasy, one is romance, one is action, and one is system kind of genre. So I have got like wait, where is it? I can't see like yes, I forgot. It is in my set post to my screenshot. Yes. So basically I'm going to like tell every like poll I have done. So in the first, as I said, like I have asked like which genre they would prefer. So I have give them 4 options like fantasy, romance, action, and system. So in the next poll I have like asked which kind of fantasy plot they would prefer. So first is fantasy romance or fantasy action or fantasy reborn kind of genre or fantasy reincarnation genre. So this is the second poll. And the third poll is like fantasy romance, in which fantasy romance they would prefer. Enemies to lover, grumpy or sunshine, stand for each other, or long lost lovers. So this is the third one. And I kind of asked them if I'm going to like mix up like every genre in subplot in one genre, will they like it, or should I choose more polls to be chosen? So some of them kind of say yes. So I like ask few more polls in the question. So I asked which fantasy romance subplot they would prefer, like cursed prince, marriage of convenience, prince in disguise, or childhood friend. So in the next poll I have asked like which kind of like fantasy plot they would prefer, like elemental power, magic, time reversed, or transfiguration. In the like last poll I have asked which fantasy plot again they would prefer, prophecy, scientist, witch, or cursed. So I have asked this much of like post to know their like responses. So I'm going to like show each of the responses at once. So at first, like 53% interacted with like so many people have answered. And in the first plot they like many would prefer like fantasy and action genre, which I'm gonna kind of mixed up thing, or like I'm gonna like add fantasy with a like action genre in them. With fantasy plot I would kind of like many of them choosing like fantasy action again. So action would be like add-on in them. In fantasy romance I have like got like grumpy or sunshine more to the like point, and enemies to lover, like both of them are like kind of chosen by them, and I can see both of them can be add on with like in most of the like fantasy and couple genre. Again I asked like subplots. So many of them chosen cursed prince or marriage of convenience. In fantasy plot again magic is the one who's got the most like votes, so I'm going to add on that. So in fantasy plot like curse and prophecy again like got the most vote. So I'm going to make a novel out of these polls, and I have kind of got this idea from a YouTuber. I like forgotten the like YouTuber name who is the writer as well, and I have read their first novel as well, but I kind of unable to remember the name because I'm bad with names. So I'm going to make a novel out of all these like polls I have asked in the Instagram poll. And if you guys want to join in my Instagram, so you can just follow me on Writer in Reading in Instagram, and I can reply everyone. So I want to like gather my author family to more extent. So that's for today, and I'm going to meet in my next session. Bye bye.